We have a fun LeetCode problem. It's called water bottles. We are given num bottles, number of full water bottles, and once we drink water from them and they gets empty, we can exchange number of empty water bottles for one full water bottle, and our job is to determine the maximum number of water bottles we can drink. I don't know about you guys, but back in school me and my friends would riddle each other this one. Anyways, let's look at an example. Here we start with 9 water bottles and our exchange rate is 3. So for 3 empty water bottles we get 1 full water bottle. First we drink water from 9 empty bottles, then for 9 empty bottles we get 3 full water bottles, and again from 3 full water bottles we get 3 empty bottles, and then we exchange them for 1 full water bottle and then drink it. So in total we get to drink from 13 water bottles. Now you should pause the screen and try to solve it yourself, otherwise I'll show you the way. We will start by defining two variables, total for total number of water bottle we drink and empty for number of empty bottles we have. Now we'll say while num bottles is greater than 0 or empty is greater than num exchange. You'll notice the conditions are a bit different because for each num bottles we'll have 1 added to our total, but in case of empty, for every num exchange number of empty bottles we'll have only 1 added to our total. So if our exchange rate is 3 and we only have 2 empty bottles, those 2 empty bottles are no use. Then we'll define a variable to add and set its value to num bottles and add to our total, and we'll set num bottles to 0 because we have already added that to our total. We will also get same amount of empty water bottles, so we'll add to our empty. We can also exchange empty water bottles for full water bottles, right? So let's say exchange equals to parseInt, and we'll say empty divided by num exchange. Here we are using the parseInt function because let's say we have 11 empty bottles and our exchange rate is 3. So 11 divided by 3 is something like 9.2, but we don't want 9.2 be exchanged, we just want 9 and be left with 2 empty bottles. Now we can say num bottles equals to exchanged because we have exchanged empty bottle for that amount of full water bottle. Now we have to subtract the number of water bottle we exchanged from empty. And lastly we're just gonna return our total. Let's run it to make sure we don't have any error, and we don't. Okay, so we can submit the code and it looks like we have passed all the tests. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you liked the video. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.